So, good morning, everyone. Right now, it's 8 a.m. or 2 a.m. New York time session. So, New York time session. Oh my god. New York time, it's 2 a.m. So, let's get it. Feel free to ask any questions you have or want to understand more about forex trading, and I will be answering them as usual. So, let's get another day trading day. So for everyone who are watching right now, we swept Asian low and now waiting for market structure shift to break up, and then we are gonna look for our buy setup. For now I just have GBPUSD and I have here EURUSD, but it's not swept yet, so it's looking kind of that will swept or sweep Asian low. So basically that's it. NAS and US30 are two. We can see US30 will always consolidate in Asian session, and then it will just break out in London session. So you need to stay focused on US30 if you want to catch a trend most of the time. I don't like to trade US30, but when I get a trading setup on US30, it's basically like so juicy trade that it gives a lot RR. Something usually minimum of RR in US30 is from 2.53 RR and 2 up. So just to give you a quick update about coffee every morning. So right now I'm drinking black coffee. It's first black coffee that I ever had, and basically it's disgusting as fuck. Like without sugar, because I'm on detox. I was bulking and now I want to go lean, and till the 1st May I will just train and be on detox. So I will maybe show pictures before and after in my Instagram, but I think on my private profile I will see, or maybe even in the trades profile too. So, but just want to say it's disgusting, and I don't have any sugar to eat or anything, but that's it. It's good for health, so I will be sticking to my plan. If you have any questions, again, feel free to ask in the chat anything. It does not need to be about trading. Just so I can, I don't know, speak or answer something. Because usually I'm very bored because I'm waiting my setup. That's reality of trading. You just sit here and wait for setup, be on my phone, do nothing, and that's it. So if you have any questions or misunderstanding about trading, feel free to ask. So for euro, if we are gonna use high time frame, so by marker structure, we can see that we are moving to bearish because we have like equal highs and went down, and we are still pushing down. For example, yesterday was like pushed down, and usually I didn't trade even because there was no any setup. It was shitty movement, like around 3 was like good, but it was, for example, here I was just saying in previous trading session that here we had like people would say it's market structure shift because it's on the line, but you don't use that for your trading, because that doesn't mean, even if it's online, you want to see like displacement above, like good displacement with good body structure of candlestick, and then pull back and go up. But as you can see, we will go bearish that day. So we were bearish that day, so we just move on, and later on we had little upside, but nothing major. But if you want to like use bias, I don't use bias in my opinion because I'm usually a mechanical trader. I don't know why, but I like it and it suits me better. And for now, as I can see, it's because of this higher high, equal higher highs, we can see that we break down and we went in bearish. So basically, you can aim, maybe in New York session, you can aim for this low, but this is just my opinion. So for example, you can see if we make market structure shift, we can easily reverse here in GBPUSD because as 4 hour we can see that we are bearish. We broke down under lower low, so we can come back and make lower high. So basically right now we made market structure shift. It will be going down more, but anyway, here is the market structure shift, and we're gonna wait for displacement. So for everyone that don't know what displacement is, it's, for example, let's get straight first with market structure shift. So first, market structure shift is reversal, let's say reversal strategy. But anyway, if we are going up, we are bullish. So we make higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. And now this is the point where market structure shift happened. So we broke lower high, higher high, sorry, higher low. So we broke higher low, and then we moved back up and moved down. So I will just go like this, higher low, just to move this box away. Okay, so same thing, higher high, higher low, higher high. So we broke down this higher low, which then after breaking higher low, we made lower low, so new lower low. What this means? So basically this one is MSS, market structure shift, and it's reversal because now we are reversing in bearish trend. So this is a great indicator. But displacement is one thing that you need to watch when you are looking or getting market structure shift. So basically something like this. You need to have strong, and displacement is basically this line. So this line that broke market structure shift. For example, you can see I just need a good example so you guys understand it very well. For example, just a second. Yeah, let's take it like this. So for example, what you want to see, it's full. If you are going to bearish, you want to watch full body candle closes or candles with little wicks, and they're pushing towards other side. For example, here we can see that we broke this high, and we broke it with this way. So first we got 3 green candles, then 1 red candle or black candle, and then we push above, break, and we got some little pushing up. So but this is the strong displacement. For example, this is exactly same displacement, but it's not that strong because you have multiple colors. That's first, and second, you have little bit more wicks. And for example, this is a strong displacement. As you can see, you got here a strong displacement because it's basically all full red candles, black candles in this situation. So you must watch about good displacement, and that's why I didn't use, for example, this trade. And as you guys can see, basically here, okay, it's fair value gap, somebody would use it, and you use this fair value gap, place here stop loss and aim for this high, and you will just lose your trade in just few minutes. So that's it. Anyway, now waiting for our trade to occur. If not, maybe we have Asian low swept on NAS 100, how you want to call it, US 30. So on both pairs we are looking for a buy, and for when you ask for Euro USD analysis, you can use in your advance, you can use US dollar index. Basically it's gonna help you confirm they're in different correlations, and as you can see, it's looking same as US dollar, Euro USD. So basically when USD is gonna push down, Euro USD is gonna push up. So that can be your advantage about market, so you can use that. For example, I had so many times happened that I would make a market structure shift on US dollar index but not on Euro USD, and usually I would place a trade on Euro USD. For example, I made on US dollar bullish market structure shift, I would place sell on Euro USD. So it would be a great confirmation to just let my trade, and it really helped me because as a starting point, when you start and you have problems because FOMO, for example, greed, fear, or something like that, it's gonna eat you alive when you start live trading. So this is a great confirmation, and it helped me a lot to understand and have peace of mind. So I would advise you to use that too. Maybe it will help you, maybe not, who knows. You need to try everything before you go live trading. Which strategy do you use, Ferment? I mean, Ferment the Sherman 25. Which strategy do you use? Or you're not trading, you're just learning? That's a nice one. Yeah, great. But you're using, for example, inside of silver bullet hours, or you're using in like different time frame? For example, I'm using till 6 a.m. New York time, or you're using from 2 to 3 a.m. Which time frame do you use? London Sun, so like 5 a.m. for me. From 8. Okay, from 2. Okay, that's a kill zone. I used to use, for example, here, I would come a chart on 5 a.m. Yeah, 5 minute time frame, and I would mark like last swing low and swing high on 50 minutes. Cool. So basically, I would mark out swing low and swing high on 5 minute time frame. So basically, like this, and it needs to be inside of 2 a.m. and 3 a.m. and basically something like this, yeah. So this would be the setup for my, sorry, it's like this. I forgot to use this strategy, but anyway, it would be something like this. And as you can see, we swept above, and I would look for confirmation, but as we can see here, so I would enter when it's swept. Why? Because we have here fair value gaps basically on this point, and you have equal highs, and this is reversal point because it's great indicator, and we have big market structure shift here. So I would just, after this sweep, I would just wait for little push down and I will enter it. But that was before I even learned this new strategy that gave me profits, much more profits. So, and also I use high time frame for more. You can use it, yeah. I don't know why, but I don't like it, because you can use higher time frame, that's for sure, and I can say it's great, but for me it never worked good. I would always do some analysis wrong, and it would like fuck me up straight away. So I learned about mechanical trading, mechanical approach, and I didn't know about it before 2 years or 3 years, something like that. Even though I'm here for five plus years, I mean trading real account, and basically, yeah. So mechanical approach for me, it's much better, stronger, and it's easier. It's not easy because again it's more psychological level. For example, my one of the students, Andrea, he was yesterday here, maybe he is here. Is if he is here, just type something, Andrea. And he was starting first trade, and he got FOMO, fear or something. So this is much more on psychological level than using bias and other confirmations. So mechanical trading is for me much better, but it's all objective. You cannot judge anyone. For example, if you use, I don't know, bullish flags, cup T, or some other patterns, and it works for you, you are profitable and all good, that's great. Like, I cannot judge you because you don't use, I don't know, ICT or mechanical approach for trading. So that's for me big bullshit, and that's why I don't like using like on Instagram saying that somebody is, I don't know, stupid because they use this type of trading or something like that, because we are not the same persons like me and you. I can teach you this strategy, but maybe you will not see it as I see it, and maybe you will not understand it or feel this strategy as I am feeling. So it's totally different thing. but I will judge you if you use indicators. Like, using indicators is like you are cutting yourself off price. So basically, what you are doing, you're taking your money away because you're using indicators. So just, if you're using indicators, you can just leave my live because that's disgusting. Like, I made even video about it, but let's just show it. Indicators. So indicators are lagging. Forex. So for example, here you can see that price is here, and as you can see, price is first. Well, like, that's big difference. Like, I'm just frustrating right now because people say they use indicators. Anyway, as you can see, first we have price, which is purple, and first they confirm the price, and you have this gap, lead, or how you want to call it. It's basically, I don't know how much, maybe it's 5-10 seconds, but in 5-10 seconds candlesticks can go up, down, and close. Even if you're a scalper, this is bullshit. You need to learn price action, real price action, otherwise you're gonna lose your money even more. So I would not consider trading with indicators. If you do trade with indicators, please buy yourself a book. It's called Naked Forex, and you will learn about price action or some other strategies. It helped me a lot. Once I bought this book and started to learn about this book or strategies that they offer, I went like profitable. Like, it's not profitable immediately, but I just went a little bit like on break even point. So if you're on break even or beginner, you just buy this book and start learning about this book. So how did you all start trading? Like, I just want to know because I like to hear people's story, how they even begin to trade or learn about trading, or just what gave you like that click, I want to do trading. So which trade is looking juicy? For now, none of this none of these trades look juicy. But it is what it is. For example, here if we take this low, and we will have market structure shift here, but it must be a good one. So we will see after it. For now, we are just waiting and looking for a price to come to us. And right now, it's basically the same thing with NAS. US30, it's pushing down more. So I will not looking about US30, maybe later. Usually indices they will occur more after, like around 4 or 5, but Forex pairs, Euro, GBP, it's usually from 2 a.m. till 5 or maybe 4, 6, who knows. But anyway, I just like to stay till 6 on the chart because maybe something occurs, but we will see. So for now, even if I was watching here, we don't have news, so basically I can watch it like all day and not feel like problems, or maybe even after 6 a.m. I would just watch on my phone and maybe execute some trades. If you want, you can just go into my Discord and I will be posting there trades. So I will be giving you signals basically for free, even after live trading. So he is being doing, oh sorry, I didn't read that. That's cool. Like, I started with my friends, it was 2 of us, but unfortunately one of them, I mean both of them, decided to quit because they were losing money and they didn't want to improve. But I don't judge them. They didn't stick to trading plans. They were just, I will be honest, like, you cannot expect somebody to have a trading life or how you want it, because they even drink alcohol, they even smoke weed, and nothing healthy about that life was. So you cannot even focus about trading. You cannot even how to begin your trading journey. Like, this is not healthy way. You need to have good habits in your trading journey. If you don't have good habits in your life or in your trading, you cannot succeed in your trading journey. So basically, for example, here I was on bulk, and for now I'm on hard detox, without sugar, without bread, only rice. So for example, that's a good habit because I'm working on myself. That's first. Second one, it's basically good habits you need to have, because if you don't have good habits in your life, you will not have good habits in your trading journey. He's been doing since COVID. Yeah, most of the people have been doing since COVID, so that's great. I have started because I was looking how big freedom they have in their life. Okay, so on social media you may see a freedom about trading. I agree. It is a freedom because right now I'm in my pajama and I'm here with you looking for a trade, and I didn't even like take a second to just take other clothes. I just came in my pajama and sit on my PC or on my laptop in my bed, and I would basically just trade. I can say that trading is basically the fuck you to the world, because you don't need nobody. What you need is basically a brokerage account, and you can trade your asses off. sometimes I would even, because I was lazy, I would just come wake up and just take my phone on the left side of my bed. I would just take my phone and look for a trade, place a trade if there is a setup, and just go sleeping again. So that's how I did it. How about USD CAD? I don't know. I don't use that pairs, only major ones. But let's see. USD. So just a second. Okay, we have here. It's a good. I mean, it's a not a bad movement. Yeah. So as you can see, there is a lot of setup here, but its major part, I can say that this is mostly executed in execution in New York sessions. So I don't like to go from Asian session and to execute it in New York session, because it's too long and you don't know where the price is gonna go. That's first. Second one, it's too much news during a New York session usually, so it's a big part of problem, and I don't want to use trading while there are red folders. Especially today there is no red folders that I like, so I like it a lot because I can trade whole day basically. So yeah, that's why I don't use USD CAD for this quick analysis, because you can see that most of turning points, such as here, it's around New York session. Here is the good trade, but it's still New York session execution. Then we have it here, it's still turning point, it's New York turning point, even after New York turning point, New York. So that's why I would not use USD CAD. But maybe for a swing trading, I hear from other people that swing trading and the pair USD CAD is great. Like breakouts are great. Don't take my words for it. I just heard from other YouTubers, I mean other traders who are trading like swing trading. So maybe you can use it for swing trading. Cisco, did you try? Did you start not trading? Did you start training your body, because you need to lose kilos? You know that we talked about yesterday for that. So start training. Do you use USD CAD, or you just ask like randomly. You lost 3 kilo. Nice. Maybe you need to lose more, so don't be happy about it. So, I just want to ask a question, you all. Why did you come to this live? Because I just want to know, so I can understand people coming here. And second, what are your like goals for 2025? Like what you want to achieve? That's first. Second, what do you have your like plans for trading in 2025? So you can answer one by one or anything. For me, I will just say mine, so you don't need to ask, or if you want to ask, ask. So basically, my plan for 2025 is just to build up a trading community, but build it up as like not some short term, it will be like long term, and I would want to assemble a team of traders that are good. So and just to have like biggest trading community that is not fake. It's not something that you can just come and say, oh, I want to make money fast with trading, and you will not get that, so just go away. But I want to assemble a big team of traders, so that's my plan, and make a long-term trading community that is realistic, not some fake ass. So I was looking at 1 hour and potential liquidity sweep target previous low. So you're saying about EURUSD, I think. Oh, you mean here? Okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm looking for a buy anyway. So USD CAD. I don't use it. Just a second. Give me a second. Add the symbol. Okay. So 1 hour. I mean, depends which liquidity you're looking for. Like, for example, I will use this one because uh, how to explain it? Like, you have liquidity resting here, and you have one, two, three times trying to get to it. I would just wait for this higher liquidity, just or even this one is okay because stop loss is gonna be somewhere above, so it's okay. But I would not consider this as liquidity. I don't know why, but I just don't. No, I would not consider this one. Maybe I would not consider this one. I think you're preferring this one. As you said, it happened. Like, so it didn't even touch. So you need to be sure. So let's go on euro. For now, I just like what I see on euro and on, I think just Nasdaq was yesterday giving us great opportunities here, but no, it did not, because somebody would consider this as a market structure shift, but I wouldn't. For example, this one. I don't know why, but I wouldn't. It's not that great, because this basically have liquidity sweep and have the higher wick. So one candle that gives you both of that, I don't use them. But I would just get this trade even, but I don't risk. I just want to have a good setup. That's it. So moving on. I think GBP is gonna give us best one, because as we can see, we took lows, and basically we will just go and make lower high, or we are gonna push above and make market structure shift. So let's see how it goes. I will enter both if they give me good setups. All good. I'm just analyzing what you said, so. But yeah, you're right. We can see so many, like, even breakouts that are rejecting from it. That's first. And second, it's kind of every breakout it's touching it. So I can agree with you. And you said good. It's great supply and demand. And there is no FVG on euro. Oh no, we're gonna die. I'm just joking. Yeah, it's all good. So maybe we will have above it. So we will see. You never know. Maybe we will not even go that strong buy in a strong buy. But who knows? Who knows? We have here, if we close above, this will be good entry. Something like here. Dun, 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 dun. And for trading, just stay away from going inside of trade 10 to 15 seconds before the candle closes. So in 10 seconds a lot can happen. Basically, even in sports, like 10 seconds is too much. And just stay till the time of candle doesn't close. So if the time of candle is 15 seconds and I see my setup, I will not rush in. I will wait for a candle close, because maybe in 10 to 15 seconds the candle can reverse and not make market structure shift, which would kill my trade. So basically that's one thing that you need to look out for. Don't rush for a trade. If there is no fair value gap, of course I will not enter, but as you said, there is no FVG. That's okay. Maybe in uptrend, or maybe it will go down first to take liquidity and then go up. You never know. So just wait for great setup. But GBPUSD have a nice setup. NAS US30. So as you can see, basically US30 dropped, but I would not consider this a market structure shift. Why? Because it's kind of, I don't know, it's low. I would consider this all lower low, and this would be for me just noise. Just take this out and it will be just a low. So you need to consider something like that. Okay, so we have a trade basically here. On top, we will aim down here, and our trade is gonna be here. So let's see what happens. I will place so I'm taking the whole picture and I'm putting it in my Discord. So if you're not in Discord, you can see that I'm sending every trade that I make. On euro we have good setup, but there is no fair value gap, so I would not consider entering. And for GBP, I just want after this or this one, see it just push down and go up. That's it. Dun, 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 dun. Now it's just waiting game. Just wait to hit entry and then, I don't know, maybe play some games while I wait. So right now, as you guys can see, we are waiting to push in our entry, but I guess it's not pushing that way. But it is what it is. I'm just joking. Maybe it will push right now. It must. Because it must have fulfill other FVGs and so on. So basically that's it. It's gonna push. And we have NAS pushing up too. So I will not consider this trading because it's so small RR to even risk it. US. So this is a problem with US 30 that I hate. Even though you get everything nice, let's say for example here is MSS, but I would not look that way. Even though it's here MSS, it just push up. It doesn't like reject or come back to this price or something like that. So I'm hating on it very much. It just push up and don't even look back. It's good, but not good for me. I don't know why it's doing me such a dirty movement. Like, little go down, little go up. Like, just hit my entry and go to TP is that easy. Like, you don't need to be asshole. But it's pushing up. It's okay. Eventually it will calm down. I will just go and grab something to eat. Then I will come back. You can ask questions and I will be answering them while I eat. Yeah, I just came back. Was eating. So it's looking good, very good. And one thing that I like to see right now, it's this bearish fair value gap. I mean, I was watching over my phone, so basically this bearish fair value gap was tapped. Now I want to see rejection to my fair value gap, and from my fair value gap I want to see same rejection, and it will go easily up. And why is that? It's because once FVG is tapped, usually they don't have a strong support or resistance, depends in which situation, and then you can easily just go up without any problems. But right now I just want to see rejection from this fair value gap to down. it's kind of not pushing down, but I will just leave it to plays out. It's not big of a deal. That is a little bit consolidation, but as I saw, this fair value gap must be filled, and that's it. Eventually it's gonna go up, but we will see if it's gonna come back. Not judging. No. If you have any questions or you don't understand about this trade, just let me know. I will explain it. Like, all I'm asking this fucking GBPUSD is to go down, take entry, and just go up. And eventually, as you guys can see, it's not listening. So this trade must be executed before, oh my back, before 6 a.m. Otherwise, I'll just move on. I won't be executing this trade. But I think this is it because nothing is happening and we are just pushing up. So maybe on 15 minutes time frame. Let's see where we are. Yeah. I will wait just a little bit more. Maybe it will come back. Who knows? I would consider using this fair value gap and moving my whole trade around, because as we can see here we got perfect support. Basically on this fair value gap it's rejecting, so I would use something like this, put under this stop loss, and aim for 6, so we have 4.5 trade. I'll place it like this, little bit down. Okay, so 4.5 trade, and I will just send into my Discord that I had some different adjustments. So for now, as you can see, I'm sending in free Discord, so if people want to follow, you can follow. And basically why I did this adjustment, it's because underneath our fair value gap it's great support, as you can see, 1, 2, and right now I will be looking to get into this trade in this fair value gap, but let's see. It's second trade of the week, so we had one, it was loose, but anyway, we will see what happened with this. So for the next week I will be moving out from a personal trading, and I will be doing some challenge. It's gonna take up to a year, 2, something like that, we will see. Basically I will start with $500 and I will trade till I don't make $100,000. So that will be a journey. You can follow me on my Discord or on my YouTube, or you can follow me on my Instagram, because on Instagram I will post every week trades history, and how much I made during that week. Even if it's loose, I will post it. As you guys can see, I am posting even the losers and winners. So and I will maybe be doing a live trading more, so you guys can see it in real life action. Come on, just tap it. Oh, fucking hell. So this is a live trading, and this is a trading that it's realistic. Oh my god. Oh, I just want to see it, tap it, and just go it way. Even if it goes to sell, I don't care. Just go into this trade. If it doesn't tap, we will just move on. Call it even and close the live trading session. Such a disaster of a trade. Oh my god. Just fucking top it. Only one tap. Just give me one tap, like one tick. Peep. One peep. One. Just one. Like, what the fuck? Please kill me. Come on, just tap it and go to sell stop. Yeah. For fuck's sake, thank God. We are into trade, so hold on now. I'm gonna turn this live trading into serious how to lose your money because this is such a disaster of trading. I don't know if I think I should quit it. I'm just joking. We will see what happens. You never know till the last minute or stop loss or TP is hit, or even if I'll leave it. But to be honest, I hit pretty good losing streak even before Christmas. It was 1 week before Christmas, which I should not be trading, and I made a mistake, and it fucking cost me a lot. So right now, I hoping there will be a winning streak coming soon. I mean, must be coming soon. Otherwise, I'm gonna be pretty sad. I can't believe this is happening to me. Like just reject of fair value gap. It's that easy. I wanted this candle to turn green if it's possible. If not, we have support still. Maybe it will just reject. But anyway, as the first week of 2025, it will be a losing week, which is shitty as fuck. But we will see. You never know till the end of the month, so usually that's how it goes. Sometimes I was even like 3 weeks in losing streak, and 1 whole week came back, and I was like 4 or 5% or 4 or 5 RR, how you wanna call it, was in a plus. So you never know with trading. So in this situation, what I want to see, it's basically candle closing above candles. So that's the main, but not wicks, only looking for a body close above. That's the main right now. That's the main reason why I'm in this trade, because I can see that this body will close like on the same level, or it will close above. We will see. Like just 1 second. First it was green, and in just few seconds it was black or red, how you wanna call it. It's such a disaster. Like, what the fuck is going on? I'm not judging. Either it's gonna go SL or TP, but I hate when do that, because it was looking like good to go, but we will see eventually. I think it's gonna go up because as a hard time frame too, looking at this, we have big rejection, but the main problem right now is because we enter in a new 4-hour candlestick, which is pushing down, so it's kind of, I don't know, disaster. I will stay, I mean, I got nothing to lose. It's either stop loss or TP. Always sticking to trading plan. But yeah, maybe we'll enter again from this level, but it's maybe from the first position that I sent, from this one. But I will see what happens, because even though if this was going to enter from here, I would just enter again from here another trade and put everything to break even stage, so it would not be that big of a problem. But we will see. We can see that it's a rejecting from this support, so I will leave it to be like that for now. Such a disgusting. Oh my god. I will just move on. Yeah, I can see euro is dropping too. Yeah, like it's some drawdown. All good. All is good. Yeah, I just got stopped out. Fuck it. So for this week we have to lose. I will stay a little bit more live just to see price action, maybe enter another trade, but we will see about that. Oh my god. So for this year we have 2 losses on starting year. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Let's see what will we have tomorrow. So tomorrow we have some again news. So this will be a pretty good day too, I think, because we will have more movements inside of New York, London session, sorry. So right now I will just journal this trade. So I will just show you how I'm doing. So another GBPUSD trade. Outcome was loss. No. Taken. I don't use bias. It's, I don't know, sad. I will just put sad. Fair value gap. It was minus 5k. And I just want to choose a file. It was a screenshot here. So basically that's it. And link to my personal account. So for now that's it, and I will just do the rest of trading psychology, answer the questions, and that's basically it for today. But as you can see, it's right now rejecting, and it's such a disaster. I don't like it at all. So just showing you guys, before I had total wins 7 and just got 2 losses, which I hate so much. I don't like this at all. Even though it's 77% win rate, I don't like it because I don't know. I will wait for another entry. So if you want to stay on live, stay. We will see what happens later on. Fucking hell. We can even do a fast scalping if you want. So we'll see. I will just delete this one, delete everything. So for example, we will see now scalping, how I do scalping usually. So we have it here. I will not send this into Discord, I will just do it here. So if first I need to see this fair value gap to be left and have this one here. I will be entering from here. I will aim maybe for this high. So this would be trade. So this is disgusting because now basically now we will be in a plus position, close to plus, so it's disgusting. But anyway, we'll see now. This is just a false scalping strategy. I mean, it's not strategy, it's just fast scalping I will do. So breaker block and mitigation block, which is the difference? So mitigation block is basically when you have something like this, which I do have now, and on peak for me it must be bullish and it must overlap with fair value gap. So that's first. Second one, it's breaker block, which is similar but it's not the same. It's going to be like this. Sorry. So same thing, similar but not same. For example here. So we have market structure shift. Basically we closed above this one. So if we stayed in our trade, I'm so sad because we got stopped just by 1 week, like one few ticks, something like that. Look at this, and it will be beautiful 4.5 trade. I wanna cry, but it's all part of trading. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know what fractal break is, but I don't use it. I'm speechless because of this trade. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, I know what a fractal break is. Are you using it or not? It's three fractal break basically because of three candlesticks underneath. So we are coming back to fill these gaps. So let's see how that plays out. Sure. Sorry, my mother was in a room. So you asked, just a second, you asked, can you explain fractal break is? So usually I don't know, I don't use it, so I don't know, but I heard about it and I understand it. But it is, for example, you have first like 1, 2, 3 candles on a swing points. So for example, let's say example, let's say this one, so this two, and fractal would be like 1 2 3, and third must be like higher, or sorry, fourth. You want to see break above this one, so you go buy. It's like something like this, but first two must be like, for example, first two must be other color, so 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So I would not say that. Just a second to find a great example. Here, so we have 1 2, we have third that is under, and we have fourth that is under whole. So on this fourth, on this breakout on fourth, you would enter. So once the bar 4 candle closes, you want to alert breakout. So basically that would be some explanation. I don't know how either explain to you. I mean, I heard people are using fractal breakout, but I usually just use like fair value gaps, order blocks, all mixed with market structure shift. Plus I use mitigation block plus breaker block. Are you using or you want to use fractal break? Just because I didn't hear anyone use that fractal break. It's like 3 fractal break. So just want to know if you're gonna use it. I mean, if you're using it, because I didn't even found or any trader that use fractal break. Basically, how I can easily describe you what fractal break is just by saying that first two candles on pivot point, I mean on swing points, it's basically first two are, let's say, red or green, and third must be like pushing candle or breakout candle, which four needs to close above that third one. It needs to like just break above the third one and just go on. I think I'm not sure, don't take me serious. I think the four candle does not need to close. You can just enter after the breakout, but I'm not sure for that strategy because I I don't know, like I just saw it when I saw it. I was reading a Reddit post and I saw some guy saying that you don't need to wait for closing closing fourth closing candle. You just can manage to go from forward to breakout. Yeah, but I don't know. You can try to use it and tell us if it's good or not. that's it for today. I think I'm finished. Anyway, thanks God I didn't go full port. I was risking 0.25, so it's not big. Anyway, I didn't send this trade because I didn't want people to lose, and it was kind of disgusting trade to go for, but all good. And now we are going up, which is what more disgusting, but anyway. So tomorrow is gonna be another trading day, 4th in the row, and if you guys want to stay around, feel free to come. And I will be posting on my Instagram results that we got, hoping that we will have better sessions. Anyway, thank you guys for sticking here into this live. See you tomorrow. I'm just looking at this trade again because it's disgusting. I hate it so much. This one, because it took me. Probably I didn't need to use this one trade too, but I was not over trading. I was just doing some low risk trade, and that's it. So thanks, and see you tomorrow.